Hi all. It's a great pleasure to really talk about the experiences that I had with Mitesh. We engaged Mitesh for a work where there were two teams which were already performing to their plans, delivering excellent results, and we wanted to take these teams to a further higher level. And actually Mitesh started with building on the energy of people, opening themselves, ensuring that they are in a state of mind where they are able to accept the inputs, and from there he actually helped them play a game which really showed a multiplied results. And finally he also articulated that how part of going about building results. What I like the most is, we may do such session, but what is important is how to give them principles or how to give them actual action oriented tips which one can implement and really see through the results. So he gave very simple 3 tips. He talked about keep the end in mind, be very, very clear about the goals, what is that you want to achieve, and the second point was how to reduce the waste in the system, whether it is time related, process related, how are you engaging with customers. So look at every single item. If there is any kind of waste of energy, please cut it and try to see that how to channelize your energy into everything which is productive and which is really giving you a visibility of the end result. And the third point was that how to build an individual productivity in the team, and therefore the multiplier effect is always greater. Now this was really phenomenal. I really liked it very, very much. The team is very, very excited. Today we are on the second day of the meeting. We are going to take a business presentation which will talk about more than 120% achievement for the year. And this platform was actually created by Mitesh, and if this platform was not available, it would be very difficult for us to drive the plans to overachieve in the year. So thank you very much, Mitesh, and it was a great experience.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It was an absolute pleasure working with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.